Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to understand how we can create user-defined exceptions in Dart programming language. For that, I have this file. Here I create a main method, and suppose here I have an int, and here I say age of 17, and here I want to check if age is less than 18. Then I want to generate my own user-defined exception. Remember that exception name is check what exception. Remember? And here I want to pass under age. You cannot what? That I want to display. Remember? But this exception class is not available. So I need to create. For creating this, I say class, I say check what exception, and I need to implement exception interface like this. And here, remember, name, this is not a class. I think spelling mistake is there. Check what exception. Okay, spelling mistake is there like this. Then I need to pass a constructor, and for that I create a string type of value. I say message, and here you see we are not initializing this, so we will initialize definitely. So we say check what exception this dot message like this. Remember, we are passing the message from here under each. Then I'm doing this, and here I say override of my method to string. So I say string to string like this, and here I say this dot message. So this is overriding by using arrow method like this. Now this is ready. User defined exception. This class is ready for this. We can use it. Remember that I'm throwing this exception here. So I need to put it under try catch. So I say try, and here I say catch. Remember, and I say else also. Print you can what like this if age is greater than this, and here I say catch exception, and here I print your exception like this way, you see. So now if I run this program, I say dart run, then file name, press enter, we will say instance of check what exception. It is coming here. To string is there. I need to like this because S should be capital. Once again, I am trying to run this, and you see we have a message error under age you cannot vote. Remember that we are passing this here. So this message is going here, and we are displaying this that cannot vote. But if I say the age is more than this and I run this once again, then no exception, you can vote, you have a normal program execution. So like this way, you can generate your own user-defined exception in Dart programming language. Remember that. I think you understand now. You got some knowledge from this video. If like so, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.